Everybody, welcome to October for this week's vlog. I thought I'd take you back 1 year ago when we were harvesting grapes in Lodi. It's that time of year when they're out there working hard and picking the grapes to be able to make us this fine drink. So thanks for watching. Check out this week's vlog. It's October, and in Lodi that means it's harvest season. We're here to pick some grapes and harvest some old vines in. Alright, so we are picking today Old Vine Zinfandel grapes, and what classifies them as Old Vine Zin here in Lodi is these vineyards are over 25 years old, and these actually are a lot older than that, but to be classified as Old Vine Zin they have to be 25 years or older. And it's amazing to be so close to a great wine region such as Lodi. It wasn't into my 30s I started getting into drinking red wine, and I wish I started younger, but I didn't. That's okay. But I love red wine. I love Zinfandel. The last few years we started actually producing our own wine in a very small quantities as a hobby. So we're out here picking today, harvesting. It's the first step to our wine production, and let's see what's going to happen.